If you are an international student who recently finished their studies in Czech Republic and start your own business, then this video is for you. We are going to break down how you can transition from job search visa to business residence permit. So let's get started. First thing first, who is eligible? If you are currently holding a long-term residence permit for the purpose of seeking employment or starting a business, you are allowed to apply for a business residence permit in Czech Republic. Now let's talk about step-by-step process to apply. Secure a trade license. Register your business idea with trade licensing office. Make sure your business falls under permitted category like IT, consulting, design, translation services, and many more. Prepare your documents. Gather all the essentials: a valid passport, proof of accommodation, proof of financial means like a bank statement or bank certificate, full health insurance, clean criminal record, and of course a trade license. Step 3 is submit your application. Head at the Ministry of Interior office before your current visa expires. You will need to pay administrative fees of 2500 Czech crown. Step 4. Await processing. The processing time is about 60 days, but it's better to apply early just in case if there are any delays. Once approved, your business permit is valid up to 1 year. After that, you can extend it for 2 more years each time, as long as you continue meeting all the requirements. And that's it. If you guys find this video helpful, make sure you like, share and subscribe this YouTube channel. Apart from this, I put some really important information like job fairs in Czech Republic and university deadlines on my Instagram channel. So make sure you follow me there as well. Thank you.